Savvy Serena. Today we're making a Philly cheese steak sloppy joe. You're going to need 2 pounds of ground beef or turkey. I'm using turkey today. Onion. This is pretty big. I'll just freeze what's left. You're going to need a green pepper, 8-ounce package of sliced mushrooms, and 8-ounce package of provolone cheese. I could not find it at my Walmart, so I got the Swiss sliced cheese. Need 2 tablespoons of ketchup, salt and pepper to taste, a tablespoon of flour. You want to brown your hamburger. It's fogging the screen up, but you want to brown your hamburger, and you want to saute the green peppers, the onions, and the mushrooms all together until they're cooked and tender. Once you have done cooked your mushrooms and green peppers down, and I should have probably said this earlier, sorry for it frogging up. I'm making 2 of this recipe so I can freeze it. I've got this stick cooked down some, and I'm going to add my meat back to it and stir that in. Add your flour to your beef broth and stir and mix that together. And it's just room temperature broth. Try to get as much of those lumps out as you can. Now you want to add it to your mushroom beef mixture. And by the way, this smells amazing. You want to put in 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And you want to add your salt and pepper. I'm not going to add salt, but this is when you want to add it. And I'm going to add pepper. Now I'm going to recover it and let it cook another 3 to 5 minutes. I'll cook this down till the liquid is about 75% liquid before you add your cheese. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the sandwich and then add a slice of cheese to it. But I don't want to add it to this since I'm going to be freezing half of it so for another night's dinner. So I think that's how I'm going to do it. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Y'all come back now, you hear?